Hello beautiful people. So in this video we have a question. We are given this triangle. We can say this is A and B, C, D, E and F, right? So we are given this triangle. ADF is also a triangle, and then this is a rectangle BCEF. It is given that this is a rectangle and we need to find the area of this rectangle, right? Okay, so how do we find the area? Since we know that this is a rectangle, that means all these angles are 90 degree, right? So this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, this is 90, right? Okay, since this is a rectangle, so this side will be equal to this side. Suppose I say that this side is y and this side will be equal to this side. This side is x. Okay, and now we need to find the value of, we need to find what? X times y. So can we somehow find x and y? Then we will multiply them and find the value of xy, right? Okay, so as you can see, this is 90 degree. So this angle will also be equal to 90 degree. Why? Linear pair. They are on a line. That means they are linear pair. That means sum is 180. So this is also 180, right? Okay, since this is 90 degree, this will also be equal to 90 degrees, right? Okay, now let us carefully look at the this rectangle. If you see this DF, I will write here BC is parallel to DF, right? This BC and FD, instead of DF you can write FD as well. BC is parallel to FD, right? So if you see this now, that these two lines are parallel. Here we have DF, it is parallel to what? BC, right? This is C, this is B, and this line is a transversal, right? This is D here, I will say D is here. This is a transversal, right? Okay, if whenever we get this thing that this is a transversal, this is point D, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Do you remember this corresponding angles we studied in lines and angles topic? That these are corresponding angles. This angle will be equal. Suppose I say this angle 1, so then this will be equal to angle 1, right? So now look at these two triangles. In triangle, first I will look ABC, right? ABC. This is ABC, right? This triangle. And then we will look at what triangle? DEF. DEC, sorry. DEC, not F. DEC, okay. And I will say triangle DEC. Now you look at these two triangles. One angle is 90 here, angle is 90, okay, one angle is same. Angle 1 is equal to angle 1. And you know what? In two triangles, when two angles are equal, then third angle is also equal by angle sum property. So according to angle property, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. When two triangles are similar, then what can we write? AB by this side, like angle 2 and angle 90 here, angle 2 and angle 90. AB by CE is equal to, then I take BC by DE, right? DE. Okay, what is AB now? AB is 11. Okay, what is CE? CE is what? X, right? Okay, what is BC? BC is equal to Y, right? And DE, what is DE? DE is here, that is given 5, right? Now when we cross multiply them, what will we get? 11 times 5 is 55 is equal to XY. And you know what? We needed to find this only, xy. So we have found out that xy is equal to 55 centimeters square, right? So I hope you understood this. We were supposed to find the area of this rectangle when we have found out that. So if you liked it, if you understood it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such videos. We have Maths Olympiad questions, we have concepts and short tricks on our channel. Thank you for visiting. Bye bye.